So there's actually been a lot of speculation about the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra and the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. A lot of people have been talking about these devices online, and they've been sharing their own opinions. They've been sharing their own kind of points about these devices. But my video is going to be a little bit more different because they put these two phones head to head, but me, I'm not going to do that because I'm not going to favor one side and not favor the other side, or vice versa. I'm going to tell you guys what I like about these two phones, what makes them different from each other, and what actually is going on. It's going to be a little bit like the video that I did with the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra versus the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. It's going to be like that kind of video. So yeah, I'm just going to tell you what I think about these two devices, and yeah, we just go from there. So yeah, I have these two devices on the table. I purchased the Galaxy S20 Ultra last year, pretty much when it came out. And the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, I purchased it this year when it came out as well. And yeah, why do I have these two phones, you'll be asking? Why didn't I upgrade from the S20 Ultra to the S21 Ultra? Because I saw a lot of potential with the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, but it wasn't strong enough for me to put my Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra to sleep. So that's why I'm using both of them to really figure out if I should upgrade, stay with the S21 Ultra, or get rid of it and stay with the S20 Ultra. So yeah, so looking at the two devices, obviously it's pretty much identical, pretty much the same device. Everything is pretty much the same, apart from just the camera modules. And as you can see at the back, there's a big difference with the camera module. You see, the S21 Ultra has a nice sleek design which beds in right into the edge or the side of the device, and the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra it's just like a blob that's there. From the design perspective, for the camera module, I would prefer the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. I mean the S20 Ultra. I mean, don't get me wrong, don't get it twisted. I like the S21 design camera module, especially how big those lenses are and how they kind of just fitted and tidied up in there. It looks very nice. And the S21 and the S20 Ultra, it's just kind of like a old-fashioned kind of lens to it. No outlines, no nothing. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I like the design of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra's camera module, but I like the shape and how they've laid out the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra's camera. So for the camera, the S20 Ultra has to take the win. And then, like I'm saying, about the whole design of the phone is pretty much the same. The only difference on the body of these devices is where the SIM ejector is placed. So the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra has the SIM ejector placed on the top, which is right there. And the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra has the SIM ejector on the bottom. So the top of the Galaxy S21, the top of the Galaxy S20 Ultra and the bottom of the Galaxy S21 Ultra. And that's pretty much the only changes with these smartphones. And that's it. The camera module and where the SIM ejector 2 is displayed or placed. But yeah, in all fairness, the phone is absolutely stunning. These two phones are just absolutely amazing. The front speaks for itself. It's a nice big display. You can see everything. Measuring up these devices, some people could say the Galaxy S21 is a lot more, the screen real estate is a lot more bigger, as in edge to edge, side to side this way. But in length, it's exactly the same size, which is good. A lot of screen real estate. The only difference about the screen real estate is the bottom chin on the S20 Ultra is slightly bigger than the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. The S21 Ultra is basically all the same bezels. And I will demonstrate that by going into the settings and showing you guys it's pretty much all the same. So the body to rate the screen to body ratio is very good on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Amazing. The buttons display and the locations are perfect. Like I said with the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus in my further videos, the power lock button hasn't been in the greatest place. It's been very high on the device, but with the Galaxy S20 and the S21 Ultra, the lock button is exactly where you want it to be. It hits right at the thumb, which is absolutely brilliant. And then moving on from there is the usability of the device. The devices are just absolutely beautiful to use. Like I said, the screen is very good. It's sharp, it's bright, it's just everything that you want it to be from a flagship from Samsung. And yeah, it's just absolutely a breeze and amazing device to use. But yeah, just to let you guys know, on these devices there is one change. There is one big change. And that change is in the weight. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is slightly heavier than the Galaxy S20 Ultra, and it being heavier, it's more chunkier than the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. As you can see over there, it's a lot more chunkier, so it's a lot more fatter than the Samsung Galaxy S21 than the S20 Ultra. And then coming to the camera, they both have 108 megapixel cameras, and yeah, the difference, the difference is very noticeable. But if you choose either the S20 Ultra or the S21 Ultra, you're not going to go wrong because the cameras are just absolutely amazing. Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, the camera, it takes beautiful pictures, but what I've actually noticed is that the S21 Ultra is a lot more not vibrant, but it captures a lot more details. Both of them takes exactly the same pictures, but the only difference is this S21 Ultra is a lot more vibrant, and also it picks up more details in the picture, especially if you're taking a picture of like a subject and you got like a forecourt or something like that, and it just grabs so much more details. The Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra does the same, captures a lot of details, but this just does that a lot more better on a different level. But then that's not the only good thing about the S21 Ultra. The S20 has its own good side as well, because I have taken pictures, and yes, this phone captures more details, but the colors is just a little bit off. With the Galaxy S20 Ultra, I'm noticing that when I take a picture, it's a lot. The colors on the S20 Ultra is a lot more vivid, more true to life colors than the S21 Ultra. Like I said, I'm not trying to shame any of these cameras. The S21 has a beautiful camera, but the only difference is with the S20 Ultra is that the colors are a lot more vivid and more true to life colors with the S20 Ultra, and the S21 Ultra really isn't. So yeah, the cameras on both phones are just amazing, but the only thing that lets the S21 Ultra down is the colors are not real to color, and the colors are not real to what you're actually seeing that's not on the phone. And then the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, the only issue is it doesn't capture a lot of details in photos. But yeah, I've said this before in my previous video, the S20 Ultra was a little experiment with the 108 megapixel camera. So what they've done is they've taken what's they've already made and put it into the S21 Ultra and kind of just enhanced it a little bit more, but the colors they didn't really enhance that much more. But yeah, the phones are absolutely great devices when it comes to to screen time, battery life, all the same. 5,000 milliamp, all the same. The best thing as well is the refresh rate. 120 refresh rate on Quad HD display, and this 120 hertz in only Full HD, which is a little bit of a step up, but it's kind of a noticeable difference. But for someone that just needs a phone for the camera and the usability, and you're not really into that kind of thing, then you're not gonna have a problem. Is it worth upgrading from the Galaxy S21 Ultra to the from the S20 Ultra to the S21 Ultra? The answer is, it's really up to you. Like me personally, I wouldn't spend that extra £1,400 just to upgrade to the S21 Ultra when I know the S20 does exactly the same thing as the S21 Ultra. And it's just a little minor little difference between these phones. So I got sent out this phone to actually test out and unbox and do my videos on, but would I upgrade? Not really. I'd rather stick with my S20 Ultra and wait for the next flagship phone that Samsung actually bring out. But yeah, that's my little comparison with the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra and the S21 Ultra. But yeah guys, if you've enjoyed the video, please smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notifications on so you don't miss out on when I obviously upload a video. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next one. Peace. And also, if you guys are still here and you haven't clicked away yet, the giveaway is still up and running. I'm still waiting for the video to hit 1,000 views and 100 likes, and yeah, I'll be giving this bad boy away. But yeah guys, I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.